Welcome to Metatrader. For those who love learning, let's understand balance. Okay, let's understand balance. Let's understand equity. Let's understand margin. Let's understand free margin. Let's understand margin level. Simple, right? Balance is the money that you have. There's nothing that we can explain other than that. It's the money that you deposited. Equity is the money. It's this balance plus this one, and then you get equity, right? Margin is the money that is required to open this lot. It's the money that you required. So it's minus from the 50. That's why we have 17 here, right? So this the money that is needed is $17. All right. Free margin is 33. Why is it 33? It's because they took 50 minus 17, and then it gives us 33, which is the free margin. Is the money that is free. You can able to add more trades. But if you add more trades, remember the margin level will affect you, which is the most important part that we are here for, and I want us to look at it. All right, how do they count the margin level? And remember, margin level is in percentage, so we know percentage is 100, right? Percentage is always 100. Then how do they count the margin level? This is the most important part. Margin level, we have 100, right? Then it's gonna be equity. Equity, you see, equity is how much? It's 244. It's 244, 0. Okay, so it's gonna be equity divided by margin, which is 17.17. Okay, and then you get the answer here. Right, we can do it together if that's fine with you. We can calculate it together. So it's gonna be 244.00 divide by 17.17, right? And we have 14, something like 14.21 numbers until, and then we're gonna say times by 100. We're gonna times by 100, and then we get the 1,421. Let's go back here. This is what we have. You see, now we got the answer here of the margin level. Okay, and the margin level is helping you to see. It's helping you to see and what's going on, because once your margin level reach, let's say 50%, they're gonna close these trades. That's why when you're trading, it's very important for you to count the margin level also. But you know, sometimes we don't even care, we don't have an issue, so we're not even looking at it. All right, so 50% margin, it's the trade is going to be closed with a stop out, because they have stop out. This is actually a stop out level. The margin, this margin level is going to activate a margin call at 100%. Okay, if it falls, let's say around 100 here, then you're going to be having a notification of margin level that it has fallen under, maybe let's say 89, 90%. So this is how you understand the margin level. Okay, I believe everybody was with me on this part, and we understand now what's happening here with margin level, and we won't have any issue calculating it. And let me know in the comment section below if you are failing to understand such calculations, so that we can be able to do them together. All right, be blessed. Subscribe, like, comment, share the videos with others, and I believe now you understand what is margin level and stop out level, because it works with stop out level. So be blessed.